this video, we see the numerical number 2 based on the concept of invertible element or the inverse of an element. In the previous videos, we've already seen what is inverse, what is identity element, how to solve the questions based on identity element and inverse. This problem is problem number 2 based on inverse. Before watching this video, it is advisable to watch the previous videos based on identity element and inverse of an element. Let's get started with this problem reading the question all together. Let star be binary operation on n. We have star as a binary operation and the set is given to me as the set of natural numbers. What else is given? That a star b is equal to LCM of AB. So I have a star b as LCM of AB for all AB belongs to natural numbers. This is the operation. I have to find two things. The first is finding the identity element. The second is what? To find which element is invertible. Let's get started by solving the first part of the problem first and then the second part later. The first part asks me to find identity element. I know what is the formula for identity element. It is a star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. That means E is an identity element which when operated with A does not produce any change in the value. Now the operation is given to me as LCM of the two things. So I treat A star E and A together and I just write LCM of AE is equal to A. Now since LCM of AB and here it is given as A star B, I just need to see what is the value for which there is no change in the LCM. Let's take some examples. What is the LCM of 2 and 1? It is simply 1 or 2. It is 2 because 1 does not produce any change in the LCM. What is the LCM of 5 and 1? It is again not 1 but 5. What is the LCM of 8 and 1? It is still what? It is still 8 and not 1. That means when will I get the same LCM as the number? When I have the second element as 1. So here also if the second element, that means E is 1, I am sure that I would be getting A as the LCM. So the value of E has to be 1. Now what is this E? E is the identity element and so my answer to the first part, find the identity element in n, that means natural numbers. Yes, E is a natural number and so my answer is 1 to the first part. Now what is the second part? Which elements of n are invertible? What is regarding the inverse? That my question wants me to solve. So let's see the second part wherein I have to use the definition of inverse. Now I know A star B is equal to E for inverse where E is the identity element. Now what about A star B? A star B is given to me as LCM of AB. So I write LCM of AB is equal to E. What is the value of E? E is nothing but 1. So LCM of AB is equal to 1. Now under what circumstance I have the LCM of anything as 1? LCM would be 1 if and only if I have both the elements as 1. You remember we found out LCM this way. Suppose it is 1 and 2. I used to write 2 here, 1, 1. So my LCM was 2. Remember? But now I want the LCM only to be 1. So LCM is 1 when both the elements are 1. So that my LCM should become 1. So that means both the elements should be 1. That means A and B both should be 1. So that means I write A is equal to B is equal to 1 is my answer. Now what is the invertible element? The invertible elements are nothing but 1 and 1 only. So again which elements of n are invertible? I would be writing 1 and 1 are invertible. So the answer to both the questions is found out. We have seen in this question how to go about solving the question for inverse and identity element. We know that these concepts are interrelated. So before watching this video on numerical number second, it is advisable to watch the previous videos on the same concept as well.